Check, test, 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright.
Now this one is about religion, the opiate of the masses. But when they talk about God, they make them sound like a fascist. Jesus Christ was a pacifist. Half the shit they do in his name would probably make them pissed. Yet they still hold out with the same old line of bullshit. Placate the masses, tap into the wallet. How in the hell can you tell me about the afterlife? You ain't been there, and Jack, neither have I. Cause morality don't need no goddamn governments. And the system that they run, I got no love for it. So I dedicate my life to music, and when it hits, you know I don't refuse it. Man, I found my salvation here on earth. I roll a tape on my 24-track church. Somewhere out beyond this wilderness, there's a salvation I know. Beyond the politics and troubles of this world, there's a salvation I know. This in life is one big road with lots of signs. So when you're struggling for the rock, don't you complicate your mind. In this world, there ain't no easy answers, and you're never gonna get nowhere if you don't take chances. Oh yeah. Gentrification 1. Jeff nothing, people are goddamn greedy. And I'll tell you something, I'll smash every window on your SUV. What the hell you need one of those for? Living in the city. Just a simple guy with complex problems like me versus the system. From Lakeview to Brockton, stopping, not till I'm in a fucking coffin. Another guy in the program from Boston. I like punk rock, I like reggae. And if you wanna talk about heavy metal, it better be from the 70s, not the 80s. And when I get jacked, you know it ain't on white powder. Strictly Mickey Light,